Welcome to the final stop of this module, the Tools tab. This tab has various features to further inform your data-driven decision-making, help improve your workflow, and create custom reports and dashboards. I want to preface that these tools are here to complement Astra's powerful AI. At the end of the day, Astra handles all the heavy lifting of analysis and automation, but we provided this extensive toolbox to give you the freedom to be as in control of your data as you'd like. With that said, let's explore these features and how you can make the most of them. First, let's head into segments. This tab is great to help with time saving. It allows you to create a custom group of keywords or product targets to focus on. Your segments are saved as presets and are updated everywhere, so you don't have to rebuild them each time. You can use segments for anything. Isolate data for a segment to analyze their performance in detail, target a specific segment heavily in an ad strategy, or exclude these keywords or products in your segment from other strategies entirely. To create a segment, first name it. In my example, I might consider naming it Shoe Cleaner Top Performers, as this may be a segment of keywords that I want to push aggressively in its own strategy. Alternatively, I could create a brand-specific segment called Branded Terms for branded keywords I already know I rank organically for. You have the ability to focus aggressively on segments you create, or completely exclude them altogether. Next, I'll simply enter the list of keywords I want in my segment. You can choose these keywords to be phrase targets or exact targets. Phrase match targets will include the main keyword you input, like shoe cleaner, but also include variations like shoe cleaner kit or shoe cleaner brush. Exact match targets will include only specific terms you type. Similarly, you can create a segment with product targets by clicking into Product Segments and creating a new product segment. The process is identical. Note that segments are global. Create them once and use them throughout Astra to make targeted advertising, data analysis, and campaign exclusion more convenient. To isolate and analyze your segment, we can head over to the Traffic Analysis tab in Insights and select your segment. You've now instantly isolated the data just for your segment. With your segment in focus, you'll have access to all the usual metrics you need for a deep analysis to understand how this specific group is performing. In the next module, I'll show you how to incorporate segments into your strategies. The next tool is Search Trends. Here, you can see how keyword popularity changes over time. This helps you identify rising search terms and capitalize on opportunities before your competition. You can add your keywords to track up here. The graph shows the numeric rank of any given search term's popularity compared to other search terms during a specific time period. The lower the number, the more popular the search term is. Next is the Keyword Extraction tool. It allows you to evaluate the competitiveness of keywords. Astra downloads Amazon search frequency rank data daily, which enables it to compare keyword rankings over time. This keyword extraction feature allows you to enter a keyword or product and then view similar products and keywords. You can easily add new keywords or products to compare and see the results displayed in order of similarity ranking. The keyword tracker allows you to track the number of products in your catalog that rank in the top 10 and 25 organic results for the related search term. You can see the total number of products and their ranking by clicking the arrow on the sidebar. The product tracker allows you to track your own products, competitor products, or any product you want to unveil information for. You can monitor competitor products, new launches, or anything that piques your interest. You can see all the product's basic information, plus its bestseller rank and how it fluctuates over time. This gives you valuable insights into your own products or competitor products' performance. If you're tracking keywords for that product in the keyword tracker we just covered, you can quickly see your ranking for these keywords by clicking here. Next, we have Share of Voice. If you're wondering how your brand stacks up against the competition, Share of Voice is your answer. With the Share of Voice tool, you can monitor how much visibility you have for the keywords you already tracking to your competitors. See how much conversation or search traffic you capture compared to your competitors for certain keywords. By knowing where you stand, you can adjust accordingly to be the top voice in your niche. Astra already populates the sidebar on the left with your competing brands, and you can select as many or as few competitors to plot and compare your share of voice to as you'd like. Below is a pie chart, so you can visualize how much of a share of voice you take up. To add new keywords to analyze, you can do so up here and enter them in. More conveniently, however, you can use any of your pre-made segments and select your keywords this way instead. In Product 360, it offers a range of customizable widgets that can be tailored to suit your specific requirements, preferences, and screen size. Powered by the different data collected by Astra, the page provides an array of informative graphs and tables. With a primary focus on specific products, this page serves as a consolidated summary of relevant statistics, enabling you to delve deep into insights and make data-driven decisions. You can change the product you are analyzing up here. You can customize your dashboard by clicking Configure Dashboard and choose the metrics that matter to you. And you can also create an entirely new dashboard from scratch over here. Finally, we have Account 360. Account 360 is a powerful visual tool designed to display key performance indicators and other relevant data points related to a specific marketplace. Inspired by Product 360, it allows you to create a variety of reports and graphs, providing a comprehensive overview of your business's health, sales performance, operational efficiency, and more. You can create your own dashboard in the same way as we did in Product 360 by clicking Configure Dashboard and then creating and selecting New Dashboard down here. Create your own personalized dashboard, or you can use our preset options. A lot of our agency users really love this feature, as it gives them the ability to share one concise, all-encompassing dashboard with their stakeholders. If you're an agency and want to exclusively share this Account 360 dashboard with your stakeholders, you can do so by clicking the gear icon and giving them access in the user management page. You have the option to shut off their permissions to everything else, so they only have access to the Account 360 dashboard alone. Congratulations, you've completed the tour of Astra's platform. Remember, these tools are here to complement Astra's powerful AI. At the end of the day, Astra handles all the heavy lifting of analysis and automation, but we've provided these features to give you the freedom to be as in control of your data as you like. Astra empowers you to be in complete control, whether you're a data guru or a busy entrepreneur. Now, let's move on to why you're really here. In the last and final module, you're going to take the reins and launch your profitable ad strategies. It's time to unlock the untapped profits your business has been waiting for, and I'll see you in the next module.